Hello students, welcome to Spark Classes Baleshwar. Dear students, today we are going to represent a new video class based on basic concept in chemistry, that is mass percentage of an element in a compound. Okay. Dear students, what do you mean the term compound, or what is the definition of a compound? Compound may be defined as the combination of two or more than two elements in fixed ratio by mass. In the very simple, compound consists of two or more than two elements in fixed ratio or definite ratio or constant ratio by mass. The very simple meaning of compound or chemical compound. Okay. Suppose, take an example, suppose H2O. In H2O consists of what? Hydrogen and oxygen. Dear students, very important concept regarding compound is that the properties of constituent elements are completely different from properties of a compound. Very good concept. मो कहवा कथा होछि छुआ जे जो constituent elements के हाइड्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन, ये constituent elements मानकर properties जो कंपाउंड से मैंने बने वाटर टू डिफरेंट. अच्छा देखो, सो द properties of constituent elements are different from the properties of compound. How? देखो, first thing hydrogen and oxygen exist in gaseous state. Hydrogen and oxygen exist in gaseous state, but water exists in liquid state. देखो प्रॉपर्टीज डिफरेंट होला, दैट इज द फिजिकल स्टेट ऑफ परिवर्तन. सेकंड पॉइंट, बोथ हाइड्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन आर सपोर्टर ऑफ combustion, but water is not supporter of combustion. So it is a very clear concept. The properties of constituent elements are completely differ from the properties of compound. तो आशा करुच्ची जे कंपाउंड रो मीनिंग तमे बुझेइथियो, बट माय इंटेंशन टू स्टार्ट mass percentage of an element in a compound. That means how much mass of an element is present in given mass of compound. तो हमें वर्तमान देखो परसेंटेज कैलकुलेशन इज वेरी इजी. मन करा तो तुम्हें एग्जाम 600 रे मन करा जाओ तुम्हें एग्जाम देइछो. Suppose your score is 450 then calculate the percentage of your scoring mark. How can you calculate it? The very simple. मानकर तुम्हारे जो स्कोर करिछ तुम स्कोर जो मार्क स्कोर हो करिछ स्कोर केते कल 450 बट जो फुल मार्क एटा स्कोरिंग मार्क that is your scoring mark. $450 full mark 600. The percentage of mark that is your scoring mark with respect to full mark into 100. See the very simple 450 upon 600 into 100. So that is you will get 75. So your percentage of mark 75 like this, like this. How can you calculate the mass percentage of an element in a compound? Yes, you can calculate easily by using that expression mass percentage of an element equal to mass of an element divided by mass of compound into 100. Very simple. So mass percentage of an element equal to mass of an element with respect to mass of a compound into 100. Dear students, consider a simple example. Calculate the mass percentage of hydrogen in water. Calculate the mass percentage of hydrogen in water. Dear students, how can you calculate? The very simple. Dear students, you know that water compound consists of 2 hydrogen elements and also 1 oxygen element. Yes or no? Yes. So can I say molecular mass of water 2 into 1 gram plus 16 gram, you will get 18 gram. That is molecular mass of water. Dear students, by using the above expression, above relation, you will get the percentage of percentage of hydrogen. Percentage of hydrogen, mass of hydrogen, atomic weight of hydrogen divided by molecular mass of water into 100. So in water 2 hydrogen elements are present, so 2 into 1 gram upon 18 gram into 100. So 2 by 18 into 100 by 9. So 100 by 9 you will get like this 11.11. So that is the percentage of hydrogen. Yes, okay. Then come to second example. Calculate the mass percentage of carbon in carbon dioxide. Calculate mass percentage of carbon in carbon dioxide. Example 2, calculate the mass percentage of carbon in carbon dioxide. Dear students, can I say molecular mass of carbon dioxide? Carbon, that is 12 gram, to multiply 16 gram, because you know that carbon dioxide contains one carbon element and two oxygen element. So that molecular mass of carbon dioxide means summation of atomic weight of constituent elements. Yes or no? So that 12 gram plus 2 into 16 gram, so you will get 44 gram. Very easy calculation. Dear students, can I write mass percentage of carbon equal to what? Atomic weight of carbon upon molecular mass of carbon dioxide into 100. So that is 12 gram, yes or no, and that is 44 gram and into 100. So you will get 3 by 11 into 100. So that is 300 by 11. So approximately 27.27%. Okay. So dear students, I hope you can understand the concept regarding calculation of mass percentage of an element in compound. Then proceed to another mind-blowing example. Very interesting example. Mind-blowing. Come to example 3. Calculate the mass percentage of carbon in 1.6 gram methane. 1.6 gram methane. Calculate mass percentage of carbon in 1.6 gram methane. Dear students, we know that mass percentage of carbon equal to mass of carbon with respect to mass of methane into 100. No doubt. Yes, mass percentage of carbon equal to mass of carbon with respect to mass of methane into 100. Dear students, mass of methane is given directly in your question, but mass of carbon is unknown. But now how to calculate mass of carbon from mass of methane? Yes, what's my solution? Dear students, can I write molecular mass of methane? Can I write 12 gram plus 4 into 1 gram, so that is 16 gram. Okay, can I write 16 gram methane contains 12 gram carbon. 1 gram methane contains 12 upon 16 gram carbon. Yes or no? Dear students, 1.6 gram. Can I write 12 into 16 into 1.6? You will get what? 1.2 gram. That is 1.2 gram. So now mass percentage of carbon, 1.2 gram, mass of methane 1.6 gram into 100, gram cancel, point cancel, 12 upon 16 into 100. So that is 75. 3, 4, that is 25. So you will get 75%. Dear students, if mass percentage of carbon is 75, it is very clear that mass percentage of hydrogen, very simple, 100 subtract 75, you will get 25. Very simple. Don't require to put the formula, the mass percentage of hydrogen, mass of hydrogen divided by mass of methane into 100. Not that you will get answer, but don't require, because mass percent carbon is known for you, so that you know that compound consists of carbon and hydrogen, two type of element. If the mass percentage of one element is known for you, then you can easily calculate the mass percentage of another element. How? Just subtract the mass percentage of carbon from 100. So 100 minus 75, you will get 25. Okay. Dear students, proceed to another example, mind-blowing example, fantabulous example. Then come to example 4. Okay. Then come to example 4. Dear students, an organic compound consists of carbon and hydrogen only. An organic compound consists carbon and hydrogen only. On combustion, it gives 2.64 gram carbon dioxide and 1.08 gram water respectively. Calculate the mass percentage of carbon and hydrogen of that organic compound. An organic compound consists of carbon and hydrogen only. On combustion means burning with excess oxygen. So on combustion, dear students, remember that any organic compound, maybe alkane, alkene, alkyne, alcohol, aldehyde, ketone, acid, any organic compound on combustion convert into two products, that is carbon dioxide and another is water. So according to your question, on combustion it gives 2.64 gram carbon dioxide and 1.08 gram water respectively. Then calculate the mass percentage of carbon and hydrogen of that organic compound. Okay, dear students, can I write mass percentage of carbon? Can I write mass of carbon upon mass of what? Organic compound. Mass of organic compound into 100. Yes, after getting mass percentage of carbon, you can easily calculate mass percentage of hydrogen. How? Just subtract mass percentage of carbon from 100. Just subtract mass percentage of carbon. Dear students, in your question, mass of carbon and mass of organic compound are not given directly. Yes, read the question mindfully, read the question effectively. Now carbon is formed in the form of carbon dioxide. Hydrogen is formed in the form of water. That means you have to calculate mass of carbon from carbon dioxide and calculate mass of hydrogen from mass of water. Yes. ताले आमे कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड रु ही कार्बन रो मास को निर्णय करबा एवं वाटर रु हाइड्रोजन रो मास को ही निर्णय करबा. कहीं ना कार्बन टा कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड रूप में और हाइड्रोजन टी वाटर रूप में कन्वर्ट होइछि सो इट इज वेरी क्लियर दैट कैन राइट मोलिकुलर मास of carbon dioxide equal to 44 gram. Very simple. Can write 44 gram carbon dioxide contains 12 gram carbon. 1 gram carbon dioxide contains 12 upon 44. Okay. In your question 2.64 gram carbon dioxide contains 12 upon 44 into 2.64. So by calculating you will get 3 by 11 2.64 gram. By calculating you will get 0.72 gram 0.72 gram carbon 0.72 gram carbon. Dear students, remember that don't use unitary method, just watch the last step of this procedure. So can I write या को तुम्हें ये जो लास्ट स्टेप को तुम्हें एमती लिखी दियो केमती कि ना मास ऑफ कार्बन इन कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड यू कैन कैलकुलेट इजीली 3 by 11 into मास ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड सीधा तुम्हें कार्बन मास बार कर फ्रॉम कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड जस्ट यूज दैट एक्सप्रेशन शॉर्टकट 3 by 11 into mass of CO2 you will get the mass of carbon easily. Don't record unitary method because unitary method will consume more time which is ineffective for your entrance time. तो एंट्रांस पाई एटा एक बड़ होची तमरो इफेक्टिव होबा नहीं इनइफेक्टिव हिसबो तुम पाई तो इफेक्टिव होबा नहीं. ओके then come to semti hydrogen appear in the form of water. So dear students, the now mass of carbon is calculated here. So molecular mass of H2O that is 18 gram. Can I write 18 gram water consist what 2 gram hydrogen. हमारा 2 ग्राम हाइड्रोजन अच्छी. So 1 gram water consists 2 by 18 gram hydrogen, no doubt. So 2 by 18 and 1 point in your question 1.08 gram water consists 2 by 18 multiply 1.08 you will get 0.12 gram hydrogen. So now the mass of hydrogen 0.12 gram, mass of carbon 0.72 gram. बर्तन देखो mass of carbon and mass of hydrogen already calculated. Dear students, can I say जेहेतु as organic compound consist of carbon and hydrogen, can I write mass of organic compound equal to mass of carbon plus mass of hydrogen. So 0.72 plus 0.12 0.84 gram. So now mass of organic compound also calculated. Return back to your basic formula. एबे तुम्हें तुमरो मूल फॉर्मूला को आसी जाओ. मूल फॉर्मूला आसिलेटी कोन हबो देखो. मूल फॉर्मूला आसिलेटी कोन हबो देखो पिला माने देखो. सो देखो ये मास ऑफ कार्बन केता आसिला 0.72 ग्राम. मास ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड केते 0.84 ग्राम into 100 by calculating gram cancel here, point cancel here, so that is 600 by 7, that is 85.7. That is 85.7. So now mass percentage of hydrogen, that is 100 minus 85.7, you will get 14.3. So that is your final answer. Yes, that example was very tough and mind blowing. Dear students, in that question mass of carbon and mass of hydrogen and mass of organic compound are not given directly. so that, so how can you calculate mass of carbon from carbon dioxide? So you just use the shortcut method. Mass of carbon equal to 3 by 11 into mass of carbon dioxide. In similar way, mass of hydrogen in water 1 by 9 into mass of water. After getting mass of carbon and mass of hydrogen, you can easily calculate mass of organic compound, because organic compound consists of carbon and hydrogen, so that mass of organic compound equal to mass of carbon plus mass of hydrogen. So 0.72 gram plus 0.12 gram, here the value is 0.84 gram. 0.84 gram. Then return back to normal formula. Mass percentage of carbon equal to mass of carbon divided by mass of organic compound into 100. So 0.72 gram with respect to 0.84 gram into 100, you will get 85.7. After getting mass percentage of carbon, you can easily calculate mass percentage of hydrogen like this. 100 minus 85.7, you will get the value 14.3. Okay. Then come to example 5. Okay. So a chalk consists 55 parts by mass of calcium carbonate. A chalk consists 55 parts by mass of calcium carbonate. Calculate the mass percentage of calcium, carbon and oxygen. These are the constituent elements of calcium carbonate. Okay, dear students, can I calculate molecular mass of calcium carbonate, that is 40 gram plus 12 gram plus 3 into 16 gram. So after adding, you will get 100 gram. Can I write 100 gram calcium carbonate contains 40 gram calcium. 1 gram calcium carbonate contains 40 upon 100, and 55 gram. Dear students, you have to calculate the mass of calcium by comparing 55 gram calcium carbonate. 55 gram calcium carbonate. So 40 upon 100 into 55, you will get 22. In similar pattern, 100 gram calcium carbonate contains 12 gram carbon. 1 gram calcium carbonate contains 12 upon 100. So 55 gram calcium carbonate 12 upon 100 into 55, you will get 6.6. Dear students, so now the percentage of calcium 22 and percentage of carbon 6.6. Now percentage of oxygen we will calculate 55 minus 22 plus 6.6. 55 minus 28.6, 26.4. पिला माने 100 को कंपेयर करबा नहीं, कहीं ना चौक कंसिस्ट 55 पार्ट्स, 55 भाग अछि कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट. हमको कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट रो मास को विचार करिवार अछि, हमको चौक रो मास को विचार करिवार नहीं. सो ये जो एग्जांपल 5 एक डिफरेंट से एग्जांपल थिला अन्य एग्जांपल 2. सो देखो ता माने हम शॉर्टकट की या ए जगह हम शॉर्टकट की या मास परसेंटेज ऑफ कैल्शियम, that means mass of calcium by mass of what calcium carbonate into 55. Percentage of carbon mass of carbon by mass of calcium carbonate into 55 तमें तो ये मिसे कि 55 माइनस कर पारिबो बा जे फार्मूला पकेबो ता पय लिखि दोछि मास ऑफ ऑक्सीजन एटे ऑक्सीजन केते हिजबो 48 मास ऑफ ऑक्सीजन डिवाइडेड बाय मास ऑफ व्हाट कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट into 55 इट कंपेयर विथ 55 ये क्वेश्चन कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट थिला पिला माने तो आज का वीडियो क्लास रे आमे पढिलु मास परसेंटेज ऑफ एलिमेंट केमिति कैलकुलेट करा जाय गिवन मास ऑफ होची कंपाउंड एक एकदम माइंड ब्लोइंग फंटा क्लास होची बेसिक कांसेप्ट होची इन योर फर्स्ट यूनिट अंडर 11th क्लास तो पिला माने ये वीडियो क्लास को तुम्हें बारंबार वॉच करो लाइक करो शेयर करो कंप्लेंट दियो कमेंट दियो जहाँ पाउछ ताहा करो हमर किछि बुझा दरकार नै स्पार्क क्लास किंतु एमिति होची तार अनवर्त भाबरे सुंदर सुंदर वीडियो होची तम सामने रे जारी रखिबो थैंक यू।